Hey guys, Rich here with the Fireplace by Magic Touch. I'm out here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and walking a job site in a home that's being remodeled. And we're going to be installing 3 gas fireplaces here, 1 outdoor and 2 indoor. So I just wanted to kind of show you a couple of things that we look for, that we plan for when we're speccing a job like this. First off, let's see if we can get a picture of it. We're going to have, where that gas line is coming up, we're going to have a 60-inch linear see-through outdoor fireplace here. So they'll be able to just look through it when they're sitting here on their patio, chilling by the pool, enjoying this view behind me. But here's a couple of things that we need to plan for when we're speccing out a fireplace installation, even an outdoor fireplace like this. That happens to be a vent-free fireplace in this situation. It's a fire garden 60-inch see-through fireplace. And so we're looking for things like, what are the clearances to the building and what kind of surfaces are there? So we need to know, what kind of windows are you putting in here? Are they vinyl cased? Are they metal cased, etc.? We need to look at the gas line. Where does it protrude? How are we going to be covering it? How are we going to be venting this box? We need to look at what is our power source. This particular model does require a dedicated switched circuit, and it comes with a low voltage transformer for the controls. And so that we're looking at that. We're looking at what is the ceiling height of this enclosure. We're looking at things like, what's the free airflow through here, that kind of thing. So a lot to plan, up to and including, I'm even measuring little bump outs to see, does that meet the manufacturer's clearance requirements and that kind of thing. If you want to see more about this project, go ahead and subscribe, like, and as this project progresses, I'll be sharing some more. All right, see ya.